Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you a brand new 2026 Bennington 23S. This is a beautiful boat with the, this is a metallic sorrel with a blackout package. It just looks really nice and pretty, nice and rich on the water. Got the black trim all the way around the sides here. Come around back, let me show you. On this S, we actually put the extended deck. So it gives you plenty of room if you're going to anchor out, hang out in the boat. It's powered with a 175 YAMAHA show. It gives you a lot of torque out of the hull for, if you want to do some tubing or water skiing or whatever. This is a great boat for that with a lot of room on the boat. Come on up and let me show you the inside. Up here in the boat, it's got nice chase loungers here in the front. This is the nice Serene soft touch vinyl mixed in with a little bit of the Syntex too, just to give it a nice combination color. Very nice long couches in the front. This has the dual captain's chair, so it gives you a lot of open space in here. Got plenty of room to move around. This has a Rougher Fosgate stereo at the helm with a Garmin GPS. It's actually got a little phone charger underneath here as well, with a little door underneath there. You could put, your boat stuff, paperwork, and all that stuff in. Comes with a full 10-foot bimini top, so you have plenty of coverage for the shade. And this has the new wide sling back for this, so you can take this back here, have a nice wider. So this is a lot wider than the last year's model. So it gives you a lot of room to hang out on the back of the boat. So if you want any more information on this boat, just give us a call here at MarineMax.